In Sylvia Browne's book, End of Days, she made a startling prophecy that has chillingly come true. On page 117, the words read, "In around 2020, a severe pneumonia-like illness will spread throughout the globe, attacking the lungs and the bacterial tubes and resisting all known treatments. Almost more baffling than the illness itself will be the fact that it will suddenly vanish as quickly as it arrived, attack again 10 years later, and then disappear completely." Sylvia died in 2013. Other predictions haven't been fulfilled, but these sensitive words highlights our need for answers. Of course, our faith is important during these times, but could someone really know of a coming event? Probably a lucky prediction in all probability. We say this because Sylvia predicted her own death. She predicted she would die at age 88. She was 77 in 2013, and it seems to us that she may have simply been looking at her own life, her own death, and it was around the 2020s when she predicted her own death to occur, 2024 to be exact. She also struggled like a smoker, as if she lived with difficulties with her lungs. On page 73 of Sylvia's book, Secrets and Mysteries of the World, she writes, "After my divorce, my doctor found a tumor in my throat that was wound around my vocal cords. Since I don't smoke and have always had a husky voice, as have all the women in my family, I wasn't concerned about my throat." These things heightened her suitability to be drawn to the things that she had been credited for predicting. And it should be known that she got a lot of her predictions wrong, including telling Amanda Berry's mother she was dead in 2004. She was found alive in May 2013. Sylvia Browne died November that year of heart failure. But what do you guys think of these prophecies that has grasped the attention of the world? Comments below, and as always, thank you for watching.